I'll show you the villa that we are going to stay for 2 weeks. So we just arrived from Singapore to Bali. So this is it. So this is the koi fish. They are big. And this is the living room and the kitchen. Anthony is already working as soon as we arrive. Ito yung whole area. Good vibes only. It's nice. And then 2 bedroom. One for us and then one for Chai. So ito yung bedroom ni Chai. Knock knock! Yan. Yan yung bedroom ni Chai. Tapos yung bathroom niya. Oh, cute. So, ito yung first na bedroom. And then, yung aking bedroom. Diyan! Ito yung bedroom namin ni Anthony. Same din, ito yung pinaka-bathroom. At saka, mayroon din siyang bathtub. Cool.